Hey everybody. Hey, wanted to do a quick review here, walk around on my Can-Am Maverick Sport. It's not the 1000R, it's just the 1000. And mostly to show my stereo that I've made. But just to be quick, I'll show you the rest of the stuff I've done. For one, I've put some stickers, some custom stickers that my wife had made. The orange doesn't quite match, but it's really close. And the custom bumper I made that out of a Jeep YJ bumper. I've installed the Harbor Freight 5000 winch, which seems like a nice winch. Haven't got to use it yet. Easy install, bolts right in. I actually just took the whole front end off and took that cradle out and bolted it in that way. You do have to watch the bolts, like everybody says. Need to heat those before these right here, should heat those before you try taking them out, or the nut certs will spin. She made this sticker for me here. Got a small light bar on the roof. That's the Can-Am roof, but I eventually want to put a bigger light bar on when I get around to it. I made this spacer in between here, take up the slack so I could just use the existing bolt holes to bolt this down. This is my stereo. This is 1/2 inch plexiglass is what I made it out of. I also, coming around here, mounted backup lights on the rear. That's my radio antenna. I believe it's a boat antenna. Another sticker she made me. It says Can-Am, obviously. There's the other backup light. I just used the existing holes that bolt the roof on. I did have to get longer bolts to make it all the way through, and I had to space. I had to put a small spacer. I used ABS plastic to make a spacer to space these lights up out of the divot in the roof. But let's get to the stereo. So here's the stereo. I just have two 6x9 speakers. They're old Sony Explodes that I had laying around. I bought this switch panel. I believe I got it from Amazon. No, eBay, I'm pretty sure. Really cheap. But it won't hold the load, so I had to buy resistors. Or not resistors, but relays. And installed the relays, which I have pictures. I wish I would have filmed building this, but I didn't. But I do have a lot of pictures, so I'll post those probably right around here somewhere. Here's the this is a marine grade lid for on a boat radio, and then this is just a cheap older Pioneer stereo. It was in one of my old vehicles, and I took it out. I used it because it's got the USB, so I can play my phone through it. I haven't really tried to play CDs or anything through it, but I can tell you that the radio antenna does not pick up very well. At least not where I'm at right here. Maybe in other places. But this seals up really good. And behind here, I built a plexiglass box, and it's sealed. The stereo is sealed in that box. And then this is also the plexiglass, and this is all sealed with a seal. Try to keep water out of here the best I can. I bought this dome light and put it in. It's switched through this, and I did all this with my router, and I cut this on the table saw, and then I just have nut certs into my roll bar with 4 bolts holding this up. Actually 5 bolts. This is more for decoration. And this one in the center. And I believe I may have put a bolt up in here somewhere. Maybe not. I think I tried. There's something here in the center holding it somewhere. But anyway, there's the other bolt. You can see over here's where I put the relays down through and screw those fast. And I used a car mirror on this, but I'm gonna get a different mirror. I believe it's just not big enough. But let me turn it on here. I'm not gonna play any music because I don't know all the rights and stuff. But I do have a 12-volt outlet, and I've got a phone charging port right here with 2 USB charging ports in it. But this turns on the stereo. And then I've got, this is my roof light bar. This is my rear lights. And this one here is a stereo, or the dome light. Just like a $10 or $12 LED dome light. But yeah, it's plenty loud enough. I mean, I'm not trying to smoke out the neighbors with it, but I can hear it just fine at a low volume, so that's all that really concerns me. I could upgrade and put different speakers in. Maybe I might even have room up there for an amp. There's not a lot of room, but yeah, that's my stereo. So y'all have any comments on it? Let me know. I painted the underneath of it so it won't scratch out here. So I painted the back side of the plexiglass. So I painted this black on the inside and orange on the underneath of this one. But yeah, any feedback, any criticism, I'm open for it. Just like, comment my video, and tell me what you think.